What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Budget Buying. In today's video, we're exploring the best HDMI wireless extender available right now. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Ugreen CM506. Let's get started. Product feature: dual HDMI and VGA outputs allow you to connect to a vast range of modern and legacy displays with ease and flexibility. The transmitter pairs perfectly with your laptop, desktop, PS5, PS4, or Nintendo Switch for seamless gaming and work sessions. The receiver integrates beautifully with your favorite projectors, monitors, and TVs to bring your content to life anywhere. Includes a dedicated 3.5mm audio port so you can easily plug in external speakers for a much richer, more immersive sound experience. Point-to-point technology ensures a direct, stable connection between devices, effectively preventing any annoying interruptions. Advanced 5 GHz wireless transmission delivers smooth, low-latency streaming without any frustrating screen flicker or image freezes. High-performance dual antennas provide a rock-solid signal up to 50 meters away, which is perfect for big classrooms or busy offices. Pros: this extender is a total lifesaver for anyone tired of messy cables cluttering their beautiful space. You'll love how it simplifies your life, whether you're teaching a class or enjoying a movie night with family. The 50-meter range gives you incredible freedom, and having both HDMI and VGA options means you never have to worry about compatibility. It's truly built with your needs in mind. Cons: while it's fantastic for most setups, the point-to-point design means you can only use one transmitter per receiver at a time. Also, while the 50-meter range is very impressive, thick walls might slightly reduce that distance. It's best used in relatively open spaces to get that perfect, crystal-clear signal you deserve. Final thoughts: imagine a world where your technology just works, letting you focus on the moments that matter most. The Ugreen CM506 isn't just a gadget, it's a way to reclaim your space and share your ideas without any boundaries. It feels like a reliable partner for your home or office, giving you the confidence to present or play with total peace of mind. You really deserve this kind of simplicity. Upgrade your media setup today. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Budget Buying and like this video. See you in the next one.